The flash receiver, from Bellman and Simpson, is part of the Visit smart home system that helps you keep tabs on your home. It alerts you with bright flashes and colored LED lights when the doorbell or telephone rings, when your baby needs you, and if a fire or carbon monoxide leak should occur. The flash receiver works wirelessly with our full range of transmitters. First, let's open the box. Here are the user manuals in multiple languages, the flash receiver, and a power supply. To get started, remove the battery tab. Take the power cord and plug it into the power port. Then plug the power adapter into an outlet. To test the radio connection, press the test button on the transmitter. The receiver starts to flash, and a LED will light up depending on which transmitter has been triggered. To stop the notification, press the test button on the top. Now the flash receiver is ready to use. That's how easy it is to set up. Here are some additional features. You can also rotate the head of the flash receiver to redirect the light. The flash receiver has 4 different LED indications. Orange is for the baby monitor. Green is for the doorbell. Yellow is for the telephone. Red is for the smoke alarm. And orange and red alternately switches for the carbon monoxide alarm. There are 3 different direct ports that you can see on the back of the receiver here. This is the mobile phone sensor connection. Plug the 2.5mm jack into the port. Then put the mobile phone sensor on top of your cell phone screen or tablet screen. If you receive a call or other notification, the flash receiver will alert you. This is the bed shaker connection. Plug the bed shaker into this port. Then place it under your pillow or mattress and it will vibrate when the flash receiver is triggered. This is the landline phone connection. You can connect a landline phone to the flash receiver through a telephone cable with an adapter. To do this, take out the landline phone cord from the wall. Plug the adapter into the wall. Then plug the cord from the flash receiver into the adapter. Now plug the cord from the telephone into the adapter. Now the flash receiver will alert you when you receive phone calls directly from your landline phone. At the bottom of the flash receiver are 4 rechargeable backup batteries which will make sure the flash receiver stays fully functional in case of a power outage. This is a cable holder. You can loop the power cord here to make sure it doesn't accidentally disconnect. The power LED in the front will show the power status. Steady green means the power supply and battery are both connected. Blinking green means the power supply is connected, but the battery is not installed or has been depleted. Steady red means the backup battery is connected, but the power supply is not. Blinking red means that the backup battery is low and the power supply is not connected. And that is the flash receiver, part of the Visit smart home system.